See those clouds rolling in? Hear the nature sounds fade into silent stillness? A storm approaches. When clouds and fears are swirling, we're reminded just how small we are. We're reminded that we are not in control. We retreat into our homes, postpone our plans, and begin the process of undeterminable length, waiting. We wait for the forces outside to reach the time when they will relent and going out will once again be safe. This waiting is a trial for us, is the test, a time when we are forced to take a good hard look at ourselves. Some of us will turn to face our demons and find them right where we'd been pretending not to know they were. Some of us will writhe and shriek at the thought of facing them at all. And some of us, having seen this coming a mile away, will know that the smoothest, cleanest way is to face our demons with courage and self-awareness, sit with them, and come to a mutual understanding. This is the essence of the quarantine blues, the scariest part of this current and temporary normal. But take heart, this is a part of life, and we can look at it as a precious opportunity, an opportunity for growth, an opportunity for compassion, selflessness, creativity, an opportunity to reprioritize, to be a part of something bigger than ourselves. And when the days are full of foreign feelings, the nights long, dark, and lonely, let these words surround you like a forbidden hug. You are not alone. You are not alone. You are loved and so cherished. Soon the storm will pass, as every previous storm has done. We will once again gather, laugh, hug, kiss, dance, love, and live life almost as we once knew it. But this new life will be fuller, brighter, lovelier, more colorful, more beautiful. Because the people currently living on Earth will emerge with something irrevocable in common. We will have weathered a great storm together and apart.